Welcome to uCharts. In this video, you'll buy an option in the simulator step by step. In paper money, go to Trade and choose Options. Search for the symbol and pick your contract from the options chain. Set the quantity and open order type. You get market, limit, and stop. Market buys instantly. Limit waits for the price to drop to your target. Stop triggers when it rises to yours. Choose market, review the order, and confirm it. Under orders, you see it filled. Market completes right away. Now try it with limit. Pick the contract again, switch the order type to limit, and type the price you want to buy at. Then review and confirm, just like before. That one doesn't execute yet. It stays open, waiting for the price to arrive. Positions shows what you have open, and account shows your updated balance. That's how you buy in the uCharts simulator. See you in the next tutorial.